All right, today I'm doing an app called Survey Merchandiser. It's similar to Field Agent, similar to Observa. Most of them are going to be merchandising. You're going to have stuff shipped to your house. You're going to have to work with the staff. This one is a photo audit and is a photo only audit at Family Dollar. Now, I've been asked to leave Family Dollar for taking pictures, so this one's going to be interesting. It only pays $3.50, but it says it only takes 5 minutes. You have to take a picture of the tobacco products with the glass thing closed and then with the glass thing open. So I am going to have to talk to a staff member that works there because it's going to be behind the counter. So I'm going to go. They give you credentials. They give you like authorization. So it shouldn't be a problem. So I'll record with my medical glasses and let's see if this is a side hustle worth doing. Now that Moby is gone, I'm trying to see as many apps as I can to replace. So the difference between this gig and the Field Agent and other ones is you actually have to talk to the staff. So this is what I'm going to say. I'm doing a photo audit. I have a authorization.
Oh, okay.
I just need to take pictures of the tobacco products with the door open and door closed.
Okay.
So I'll let you know. So now the first question for this gig, I didn't realize, but you actually have to take a picture of the front of the store. So I had to go out of the store and then take a picture of the front entrance. They want this because I guess to make sure that the address is right, that you're at the location, or they just want to see what the front of the store looks like. So just try to get the door, a nice clean picture with the address on it. And then now we're going to need to take like 4 pictures total, which sounds quick, but we have to take them with the doors closed and with the doors open. So the only way to do this is by actually contacting and talking to the staff. So I already talked to her. She said, whenever you're ready, just let me know and I'll open it. I cropped her out because I didn't want her to be in the video because maybe she didn't want to be on YouTube. So I respect that. So now I am going to get my first picture. I'm speeding through these instructions. There's a lot of instructions. It's different than Field Agent. With Field Agent, I never read the instructions, but since I haven't done one of these apps in a while, I probably should have read the instructions in my car or before I started, but just read the instructions. Make sure you do it right because this app is really strict and you actually get penalized if you get denied and you might not be able to reserve other gigs. So it wants us to take a picture of the tobacco. Now the tobacco stuff is always behind the counter, so that's why they gave you the letter so you could talk to the staff. So now the first question is going to be with the door closed. So they want the smokeless tobacco, like the chewing nicotine and all that stuff, and then they want like the regular like smokable tobacco. So with the door shut, just get a nice clean picture, put it through, make sure you're not taking your picture blurry. It was kind of hard to get a good angle standing behind the counter, but I was able to get it. And then now I'm scrolling down and I had to ask her if she could open it. I felt a little bad bothering her from what she was doing, but she just opened it quickly for me, and then I got a nice clear picture with it open. This was just photos. Most of the merchandiser gigs are gonna have you actually like hang coupons and stock stuff out and do stuff like that. This was just pictures, but because it was behind the counter, we had to deal with the staff. And I saw a lot of these picture only ones. There was like a whole bunch of these. They started out $3.50. Now they're up to like $5 at like a bunch of CVS's and Walgreens. So if this one goes well, I'm going to go do those. I did this pretty long time ago, like probably like 3 to 5 days ago from making this video, and it's still pending approval. So just want to be transparent with that. This app I didn't make that much with. A lot of them I started and wasn't able to get done, or a lot of them required me to go like in the back room and work with the staff, and it just took too long for me to actually get someone to help me with that. So you could download this app. You could decide for yourself if this is a side hustle you want to do. There are a lot of gigs. There's a lot of high paying gigs. They're just a lot more involved than Field Agent and how Moby used to be. And if you want to see my full tutorial on my favorite app, Field Agent, check out this video over here.